welcome to my channel Vicky the Rider, the traveling blog channel. So today I'm going to review all brand new Steelbird helmet. So it's very lightweight and it weighs around 1000 grams. So I bought this neon color which actually goes on my bike. It's very lightweight and there's no neck pain during long rides. It's very comfortable and it has got washable foam and it has got beautiful matte finish as well. So most of my friends suggested to buy helmets in store, so I bought this helmet in Habits Hyderabad. So it costed me around 1450 rupees. So there is a quick release button, so you can quickly change your visor. So it has got a lot of options like air vents on the top, and there is a air vent beneath here. There's few more air vents at the back and on the top. So this is how it looks on my bike. సో యాక్చువల్గా నేను స్టడ్స్ హెల్మెట్ వాడేవాడిని. సో అది చాలా బరువు ఉండేది. ఐ యూస్ టు గెట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ నెక్ పెయిన్. సో ఫైనలీ ఐ ఫౌండ్ దిస్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ లైట్ వెయిట్ హెల్మెట్ ఇన్ దట్ స్టోర్ which is in Habits Hyderabad. It's actually pretty comfortable for your long rides. It's a neon color. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. See you guys. Bye.